What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to reveal the winner of my contest live on this video. Stay with me, it's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, as I said, my name is Eric Hammer. I do two things here. I review software and info products to make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Or I don't know how many times I have to tell you this. If you don't look at my reviews, you're not going to know which ones are good. The guy never ever listens. He never learns. It's impossible with him. I don't understand him. Anyhow. I also do a lot of videos on how to make some extra money on the side, as well as all that stuff on mindset and entrepreneurship kind of stuff.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz Lemon, I can't thank you enough. That's such a sweet thing to say. Isn't she a sweetheart? Liz Lemon, everybody. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's keep the conversation going. And now let's get right into this. Okay, so a little bit over a month ago, I posted a contest offer giving away a free gift, as well as offering a contest to win a 2-hour consultation with me. And so today we're going to take a look live together and see who actually is going to be the winner of the contest. You're going to see me pick a random number live while I'm recording, and you're going to see me go over to random.org to pick a random number out of the total subscribers. You're going to see me count the number of comments on the video, and basically that's what's going to happen. So you're going to get this. This is going to be what I'm going to be doing right now. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So a little over a month ago, I put up an offer where I'd be giving away a free gift and holding a contest to give away a 2-hour consultation with me. And the contest ended yesterday, so I do want to go ahead and pick a winner.
This is so exciting.
Yes, it is exciting, isn't it? I'm really excited about this. Anyhow, so in order to keep this completely fair, I'm going to count every comment here live as I'm recording this video. I haven't done this yet, and that's actually not part of the script that I'm reading from for this video. So I'm going to go here right now and start counting how many comments there are here. Let's wait for it to load. So 30 comments, but obviously some of them are me replying. So let's take a look. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, looks like 13 people. Alrighty. I was hoping for more, but that's what it is. Okay, so what we're going to do is like this. Now that we know there's a total of 13 comments, we're going to go over to random.org, and we're going to pick a number between 1 and 13. Okay, so let's put in maximum is 13. All right. And drum roll. Okay, so let's go take a look and see who won. The result is number 1. Okay, now let me see. So we're going from, let's see, from bottom to top. I guess from bottom to top, right? Does that make any sense here? 1 second. I suppose if we're saying number 1, we should say the earliest comment, right? Okay, that would be, that would be fair, right? Number 1 would be the earliest comment. Number 13 would be the most recent comment. I guess well, here, we'll sort by, can we sort by date? Sort by, here we go. Newest first. Fine. So newest first. So that means that we'll go to the oldest first. Okay, so Wealth Jedis, congratulations. You're the winner of the contest. Please go ahead and find me on Facebook. As I've said here, unfortunately, YouTube decided to shut down private messaging via YouTube. And so I can't actually reach out to you that way, but we're going to leave a comment for you right now. Congrats. You won the contest. You'll be able to see the video shortly. I'm recording it right now, obviously, and I'm going to go ahead and just do some editing on it and get it taken care of. Yeah.
I'm so nervous.
Well, I'm actually not nervous. I'm actually super excited to help someone to achieve his or her dreams. I don't know who this person is. Wealth Jed is. I guess you're hoping to become wealthy, and I want to try to help you out with doing that. So you get a free 2-hour consultation from me. There is going to be another contest similar to this one going up tomorrow. Not going to tell you what the prize is going to be. It's going to be a really good prize, though. I think you're really going to be excited. And looking forward to helping more people to achieve their dreams. So until then, peace out, and I will see you tomorrow.